Hermeticism, a profound and enigmatic philosophical and esoteric tradition, emerges from the mists of antiquity, leaving an indelible mark on Western thought. Hermeticism's historical roots are intricately woven into the fabric of the Hermetic corpus, a collection of writings attributed to the mythical Hermes Trismegistus. These texts, originating during the Hellenistic period, represent a fusion of Greek and Egyptian philosophical and religious ideas. The Hermetic tradition, steeped in the ancient wisdom of both civilizations, became a foundational source for subsequent philosophical developments, acting as a bridge between disparate cultural and intellectual landscapes. The principle of correspondence. The principle of correspondence, encapsulated by the Hermetic axiom as above, so below, as below, so above, forms the bedrock of Hermetic thought. This principle invites contemplation on the interconnectedness of the universe and individual experience. It suggests that the patterns and structures observed in one level of reality find reflection in others, highlighting a harmonious relationship between the macrocosm and microcosm. As seekers delve into this principle, they embark on a journey to unveil the hidden threads that bind the vast cosmic tapestry. The principle of mentalism. At the heart of Hermeticism lies the principle of mentalism, boldly declaring, "The all is mind, the universe is mental." This principle places profound emphasis on the power of the mind in shaping and interpreting reality. It propels individuals to explore the depths of consciousness, recognizing the mind as a potent force capable of influencing the very fabric of existence. Through introspection and contemplation, adherents of Hermeticism engage in a quest to unlock the mysteries hidden within the recesses of their own minds. The principle of polarity. The principle of polarity introduces the recognition of dualities and opposites as inherent in all aspects of existence. Within this framework, Hermeticism suggests that understanding and transcending these polarities are crucial for spiritual insight. The interplay between light and dark, masculine and feminine, and other opposing forces becomes a canvas upon which seekers paint their spiritual journey. It is through navigating these polarities that individuals uncover the nuanced and intricate dance of existence. Hermeticism and alchemy. The marriage between Hermeticism and alchemy is an alchemical process in itself, blending the pursuit of material transformation with the spiritual evolution of the self. Alchemists, deeply influenced by Hermetic principles, embark on the quest to transmute base metals into gold, not merely as a physical endeavor but as a metaphorical journey towards self-realization. The alchemical laboratory becomes a symbolic crucible where the seeker undergoes inner purification, seeking the philosopher's stone that brings enlightenment and spiritual gold. Hermeticism and modern spirituality. The influence of Hermeticism resonates vibrantly in modern spirituality, particularly within movements like the New Thought. The Hermetic principle that thoughts shape reality becomes a cornerstone for contemporary spiritual practices, emphasizing the creative power of the mind. The revival of interest in Hermeticism during the 19th and 20th centuries has significantly contributed to the development of Western esotericism. From the teachings of Hermetic orders to the integration of Hermetic principles into various mystical and occult traditions, the impact of this ancient wisdom continues to ripple through the currents of modern spirituality. Hermeticism stands as a tapestry woven with the threads of ancient wisdom, offering a roadmap for those seeking to navigate the complexities of existence. The historical roots of the Hermetic corpus, coupled with the enduring principles of correspondence, mentalism, and polarity, provide a framework for understanding the interconnected nature of reality. As practitioners delve into the alchemical realms of Hermeticism, they embark on a journey of self-discovery and spiritual transformation. In the ever-evolving landscape of modern spirituality, the echoes of Hermetic wisdom reverberate, inviting individuals to uncover the hidden mysteries that shape their understanding of self and cosmos.